Hey there, Creative Sarah here. Do I have a cute project for you? This is our Oh So Bright bundle box. If you like what you see and you want to grab this, go ahead and comment the word box. I will send you the link and you can get it, but remember, this stuff is sold out online, so I only have a few left. So comment box and I'll send you the link. All I did here is I chalked in our black chalk paste right on these little mini box frames. And then I'm gonna hot glue right down the center of this larger box frame. Hey, if you love ideas and inspiration, go ahead and comment VIP so you can join my free DIY and crafting group, and I'll send you the link and you can get right in. I'm just adding a little bit of jute twine to this and this cute, adorable plaid ribbon. It's so easy, and then I tack it down with a little hot glue. Isn't it so adorable? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow for more decor.